We are bringing meteorologist Mariel Ruiz back in with us, and we are taking a live look behind us at 121. You can see the windshield wipers.
Needed.
So sorry, Mariel was like, that's making me just a little bit dizzy.
Yeah.
But it's a really good indication. Maybe there's some folks who haven't ventured out yet, or they're in the office and they aren't sure exactly what it's going to look like for the lunch hour. Y'all, it's messy and the visibility is not great.
Visibility is low, combination of that rain coming down and some fog developing as well. So just be careful if you have to be out. The good news is that we are above freezing, so no need to worry about any ice that's lingering. Some locations did wake up to some ice on elevated surfaces like metal mailboxes or maybe exposed cars. If you don't park in a garage or if you park somewhere that's uncovered, you might have gotten a little bit of ice accumulation on your windshield. That's not the case anymore. Temperatures are in the mid-30s now, although the wind chill is 31, so it still feels quite chilly out. And I mean, like we said, the visibility, it's not great. Okay, so far we've picked up anywhere between a quarter to about half of an inch of rain. The more south you are, the more rain you've picked up. I'm talking about Ellis, portions of Navarro County, Hill County, and south, but areas around the Metroplex generally anywhere between a tenth of an inch to about a quarter of an inch. There are some isolated spots closer to about half of an inch, but again, very light rainfall that's happening out there. The higher amounts will definitely be southeast of DFW. And this is how radar has shaped up over the last hour. We talked about this at the top of the hour, but you see a lot of that pink going away. I'm thinking a lot of that isn't even reaching the ground. It's just rain that's coming down. A lot of our surface temperatures are already above 32 degrees, which is what we like to see under these circumstances. But we're already seeing some, at times, moderate rainfall. And you can see that in the yellow that you see in Dallas County. A lot of this is moving from south to north. It's a disturbance that's moving north into North Texas, and we'll continue to see that. Again, anywhere in Collin County that maybe was seeing a little bit of that freezing drizzle this morning, that's not the case anymore. A lot of it is gone. Now it's just rain coming down. Light rainfall continues across the Metroplex as well. I'm going to show you this because I want to show you where that freezing line is. Anywhere north of this line, this white line is the freezing line. That's where we're going to see the potential for frozen precip, and that's north of the Red River. At this point, the rest of us, good old-fashioned rainfall is what we're dealing with, and of course the cloud cover overhead. And that's how it'll shape up the rest of the day. I'm taking you between noon and 2 in the afternoon. Notice how a lot of it starts to shift along our eastern counties. That'll be the trend today. We'll drive from west to east as the afternoon goes on. Just about everyone picking up some kind of measurable rainfall today, and a lot of us seeing that rain really out of here by around 5 or 6 in the evening. It stays cloudy overnight, but Tuesday still expecting rain. I'm going to show you this. 5 in the morning, we looked again to our south for a disturbance coming in. This rain is going to come in waves, and about the time that we're seeing really roads start to become a bit more busy between 7 and 8, we'll start to see better coverage of rain. That red that you see there indicating rain that's heavy at times. And something else to note for tomorrow morning is that we'll likely also see fog. So fog and rainfall, just another morning where we have to really be cautious on the roads. Everyone above freezing though. This is Tuesday at noon, still coverage pretty high at about 90%, and then Tuesday around 5 in the afternoon. We'll still see some rain on Wednesday, but rain coverage is going to kind of dwindle down, completely goes away Thursday before it returns on Friday. And on Friday, it's going to be because of a front. So we start out cloudy. We're going to see around noon some rain along our west. That front comes in afternoon, evening for your Friday. Rain coverage about 30%. I don't think it lasts too much into the weekend. As far as how much rain, between now and Saturday, 1 to 3 inches of rain. The highest totals, though, will be southeast of the Metroplex, closer to Houston, where they will be dealing with some flood concerns, not just today, but really the remainder of the week. But look at next week to end January after kind of a busy weather January, dry and 60s. I will take it, Teresa.
I will too, Mariel. You're going to tell me we're ending January, starting February, that warm? Looks good to me. Appreciate it.